So I'm going to give you some information on the difference from a 74 top spoiler to a 70 spoiler. If you're thinking about doing the conversion to your 74 to 79, I think 81 model Camaros, and you want to make it a split bumper, that's what we're doing to this 79 model here. We are converting it over to a split bumper. Well, the first thing you need to do is ditch your spoiler. They offer two different types. There's a super small one, just goes across the trunk, and I think just hangs over just a little here. I never did like the look of them. Some people might. And then they make these style right here that was used on a lot of the Trans Ams through the years. Now this is actually an aftermarket brand. These are original quality parts here. And they are licensed by General Motors. Now these is a fully fiberglass fin, but the difference is, what I'm going to tell you when you can't use these on a split bumper, is you see this big section here on this spoiler? If you look, it's cut out here. It's cut out because of the taillight style. 74 and 81 Camaros wraps around here with the tail lights. So you need that spoiler to come here and cover this opening right here, which is why they shaped like that. Trans Ams had the flatter tail lights, and they used the same spoiler. Good old GM for you. Now the middle piece. The middle piece technically is identical through all years, right through here. If y'all change the ends of your spoilers, you will want to change this one as well, as the aftermarkets do not meet, do not match the OEMs without a little bit of work, and the OEMs over time is probably brittle and just aged very badly, and usually your studs come out. And if you buy just the ends, you usually can get this one at a good deal, just like we did. If you watch the unboxing video, for around 300 bucks, you can buy this full spoiler setup, and you don't have to worry about, not having that match. It's made by the same company, so it should match up pretty good. But, different parts is made with different quality, different companies do different, better jobs at stuff. Now, I ain't personally tried these spoilers on this car yet, as the spoiler's still on, but they are pretty good quality control. Got that little issue right there needs took care of. That's just not shaped good, but they did do a good job of, getting rid of all the little places. So quality control on these fins is actually pretty good, I would say. The studs look great, installed pretty good. And anytime you can see somebody put the name in the molding, and they actually take good pride in their work, even though it's made in Taiwan, they might know what they're doing, folks. I can't argue that. But that's one of the reasons you want to change your spoiler when doing this conversion. As I said, you could buy just the sides. If you think you handy enough or don't care about this not lining up and all that jazz, and by God, you can reuse this middle piece if you want to. I don't recommend it, but you can. Now we are trying to get this Camaro quite nice. That's how come we bought the spoilers. I think it's going to look pretty good once we get the split bumper panel installed, and the split bumper sections for the quarters, all that installed on this Camaro. I think it's going to be great. Now if you find any of this information helpful or enjoying this video and this, this little build on this Camaro, let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate it. And be sure to drop a like and show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.